Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. I think I brought this up here recently. Isn't it wild that it's Vosteed's 4th anniversary? On one hand, it's like, wow, they've already been in with us for 4 years. And then on the other side, it's like they've only been here for 4 years, right? Feels like they've been with us for forever. But no, they've just released so many incredible knives that it feels like they've been around for a lot longer. We have a 4th anniversary edition of a knife to unbox today, and because I am unboxing it, it means that it is very likely available or about to be available, so all of those details will be included in the description along with a link where you guys can hopefully check this out for yourselves. Thanks to Vosteed for sending this in. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. I can't wait to get this open. So I'm gonna guess, I'm just gonna take a crack at the model just because of the image on the front there. All right, so we do have, are we gonna have a special? Oh boy, we have a special black Vosteed box with this sort of coppery plate here that says Vosteed. Okay, open her up. Oh, we got a coin. How cool. All right, I do love the challenge coins. Probably keep this. This is actually a sweet coin. Super cool. Vosteed 2022 to 2026. Fidget, use, enjoy. I actually really like that they're just like, we don't care. You know, like they don't take a weird, like the people who die on the hill of like, every knife has to be used or I'm going to implode like a dying star. I make it my business to tell every person who likes knives that they have to use it or I'm going to make a hot potted chili in my pants. I like that they don't do that. And they're just like, yeah, you bought it. Do whatever you want. Like, it's weird to take any other perspective, right? If you like using your knives, cool. If you like to just fidget with your knives or you're a collector, cool. And if you just like enjoying it in your own private way because it's nobody else's effing business because you paid for it, that's also cool. I like the fact that the coin just sort of accepts and emboldens that idea. Because it is weird. It's weird to insert yourself in other people's personal property and how they enjoy it. That is a weird thing to do, and you should feel weird if you do it. But anyways, Cinderborn. Cinderborn, its fire never burns out. God, that's metal. Cinderborn. Whoa, let's get this out of here and take a look at this. What the heck? The fire never burns out. Does this do, it's transparent. Thunderbird V M390. So this is the Cinderborn, I guess. It's super cool. It sounds like a Dark Souls weapon. Mars Valley Fat Carbon. Vankerlock, serial number 106. Okay. Well, I'm going to put that right there. I'm going to try to fight that back in there. So we have, oh my God, that is so sick. That's so sick, man. Okay, Mars Valley. So we have like the orange and red, perfect, like flames, carbon fiber. Absolutely disgusting in the best way possible. And then we have absolutely spectacular satin, almost, hold on, let me shine this up a bit. Take a look here. I would say this is a bit higher polish than your typical machine satin DLC. Probably in between that satin DLC and more of like a higher polished, tumbled. But it does have that sort of machine satin finish underneath. If you've never seen the Thunderbird, number one, I absolutely love the Vankerlock. I absolutely love the Vankerlock. The fact that Vosteed went out of their way to create this locking system is just one of the many things that makes them so cool, especially considering they've only been around for 4 years. It's ridiculous. This is not a plunge lock. The Vankerlock is a substantially stronger and proprietary system that actually pulls a big, thick tab of steel into place with at least 2 points of contact within the core of that, or near the core of this pivot area. And it pulls it into place with tension and a magnet that is actually nested into the inside of the back of the pivot here. Very, very strong, very reliable system, and it actually has a detent because it's not a plunge lock, but you use a button to operate it. Super cool. But we have, of course, the fat carbon here. We have a compound. I'm going to call that, like a trailing point blade, I think. But that opening hole works absolutely perfectly with this knife. You can also rear flip it and you can front flip it. Very, very cool. Awesome ergos. We have the nice thumb ramp in the jimping zone. We have a beautiful, sort of connection or complement between the index finger and thumb position. Very, very good. This is a nice knife as a collector's piece, but if not this particular version, you just like the look of the knife, the standard version of this knife makes for an incredible user. Now, I believe this was the model way, 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 way back in the day, and it's another cool thing about Vosteed. The only time that I have ever experienced, I think, and some of you guys know my content better than me, I think way back in the day, the earliest versions of the Thunderbird, and I don't think they were Vanker locks, but I had one disengage. I think it was just a plunge lock back then. And they, not only did they fix that, but they moved forward with top liner locks and Vanker locks. And since then, I have never had a Vosteed fail. So Vosteed's a company that I think takes themselves, and there's not to say that nobody else does, but Vosteed takes themselves pretty, seriously in the best way. They listen to community feedback. They obviously don't want their products out there failing or not operating correctly. They came through and delivered new versions to me that did not fail, and then went on to create, in my opinion, probably the best version, the strongest and most reliable version of the top liner lock on the market right now. And then their Vanker lock, which is just like an absolute powerhouse, right? We're not talking cold steel triad lock levels of strength, but we are talking overkill levels of strength for sure. So Vosteed is a company that I have a lot of respect for. I know a lot of members of the community have a lot of respect for. And the fact that they are delivering products like this only 4 years in, I mean, does Vosteed actually make a bad product? The answer, almost unanimously with this community, if you're new, is no, they don't. Not only do they not make a bad product, I think it's kind of difficult for them to make a product that's not interesting. Almost everything that they make is interesting. And that tells me that the people behind the company, the design team, the marketing team, the entire company all the way around are very, very clearly knife people. There are many companies out in our community, our industry right now, who are selling knives, but clearly not knife people. Or at least they are not the type of knife people who, socialize well with this end of the community. Vosteed is very, very clearly made up of people who like to use their knives, who like to collect and just enjoy their knives as enthusiasts, right? The hybridization kind of crowd, the same types of people who watch my content. And that's why they're so appealing to us. So, very cool. I think this is gorgeous. I think Vosteed still is doing an incredible job. I still think that they make some of the absolute best dollar-for-dollar pocket knives on the market, both in, I'm not saying, if we were to make top 10 lists of any price category up to about $300, any sort of price category, best of, top 10, I could fit at least one Vosteed in there. So they are definitely making some of the best in class knives. I've got them up there, right up there with, as much as I enjoy Kumu knives and a number of other brands, right? And we're talking specifically about the Chinese production knives. Vosteed is absolutely one of them. So super cool. I think I'm going to keep this one. Just the combination of things is just really excellent. And I don't have a Vosteed Thunderbird in my collection currently, so very cool. Thanks again to Vosteed. I love this. I'll, like I said, link these down in the description so you can check them out. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.